To create an aesthetic short form content, it's so important to include the hook, quick edits, aesthetic fonts, multiple shots, and most importantly, the vibe. In this video, I'll share with you guys how I edit my short form contents like this. Come with me for a day in my life as a dance academy business owner. And I will tell you guys what's trending at the moment. So first, let's talk about the hook. This is the hook. This is a hook. This is a hook. And this is a hook. I'm pretty sure you have seen stop the scrolling type of video, and that trend is not working anymore because viewers are so tired of it, so you can't use that anymore. Short form content is all about engagement, so the first 3 to 5 seconds is very important. Let them be curious, let them want to hear what you're about to say. Now that you understood about the hook, let's talk about what you're gonna say at the beginning. So most likely I would say the title of the video. So let's say when I'm talking about a day in my life type of vlog, then I will say, come with me for a day in my life as a business owner, or come with me for a dance class, stuff like that. Or you can say outfit of the day, or let's get ready with me. And the next one is ask something to the viewers. So let's say, what do you think about this? Are you blah blah blah? Or have you blah blah blah? And let them want to think about the answer that they have. By the way, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. My name is Luna. I'm a content creator and also a professional dancer in the United States. I moved here in 2022 from Japan to follow my dream to become an NFL professional dancer. I've always been passionate about content creation, so I'm working as a social media manager and content creator as well. Love editing videos, so today I wanted to share with you guys some tips that I've been doing it, and I hope this video will help you. Now let's talk about the quick edit. It's very important asset. People these days doesn't have patience to stay in a slow tempo videos, especially on a short form content platform. If you're talking about long form YouTube videos, that's totally different story because I love watching like slow tempo, a day in my life type of vlogs. But if you're watching shorts or reel, TikTok, that's totally different world. So when you're making short form content, you want to make it nice and short, quick tempo. So today I'm going to show you guys how I edit my videos. By the way, I'm using Capcut. Most of the things that I'm going to do, you can do it with free Capcut account, but this is the footage that I used for content for Sideline Pleb. Sideline Pleb is the company that I'm working for as a content creator. Let me show you guys the final edit real quick. Are you using AI for your headshot? Here's why I don't recommend using AI to create your headshot. One thing I learned when I became a professional dancer is that knowing how to pose in front of a camera is very important. Whenever I record something like this, I always do scripting first so that I know exactly what I'm going to say in the video. Now, recording parts. English is not my first language, so I rephrase, re-record a lot. So I'm saying same exact script over and over again, and I will decide what was the best cut. And then if I feel like I'm confident about this cut, then I will say next script. So what you see is a lot of waves right here, and this is the part that I'm saying something to the camera. What I'm going to do is find the best shot, find the best cut that I wanted to keep. Command B, that's the shortcut. If you want to learn the shortcuts, it's gonna make your work 100 times easier. So that means I don't need all those stuff in the front, so I'm gonna delete, and then I'm gonna cut right here and then see what I said in the next wave. You will have cameo photo shoot. So I'm saying you will have cameo photo shoot, blah blah blah. Let's see what I'm saying right here. Same thing, so that means I didn't like the first one. This one as well. This one as well. Alright, so I'm saying different thing right here. So right here is the final cut that I wanted to keep it. And the reason why I'm looking down is that I wanted to put the B-roll on here. So keep this section, and the next part. So having the actual photo shoot experience, Sideline Pleb offers. Alright, I'm saying different things. So I guess this was one and done, which is good. Alright, so here's another tip. The connections, when you zoom in all those clips like this, you will see a little bit of blank, and I want to delete all of this because that's what makes the clip more fast tempo. Let me show you the differences. So here I have a little bit of the blanks right here, right? So it sounds like this. For the team's apparel. So having the action, right? But if I delete all those like blanks like that, it sounds like this. We do modeling for the team's apparel. So having the actual photo. You see the difference? So this is what I always want to do. You can do this manually, but there's a better function that I wish I could have this sooner. It says free right here, so I'm pretty sure you can try it if you have a free Capcut account, but this means it might gonna be in the pro account, so keep that in mind, it might change. But this is called transcript. So what a transcript does is Capcut will analyze your video and then they're gonna delete the ums or the blanks or rephrasing part, all of the things that you don't want to see in the video. So it looks like this when it came out, and then if you tap this filler word triangle, you see all those hesitation, repetition, poses. So what you want to do is to click all those boxes and then press remove, and then voila, they just removed everything that you don't want to see in the video for you. But I still want to check the system was right, and most of the time it's not right, so I'm going through manually, but this cuts like so much time for me. So for your future. See those deleting all those blanks and make it tight. That's pretty much how I make the base of the edit. And then from here, I'm gonna put all those fonts or those b-rolls, everything that I want to put. Let's talk about the aesthetic fonts. This is actually my favorite edits at the moment. I'm gonna show you guys a video that I created right here. With me for a day in my life as a dance academy business owner. I started my own dance academy in 2020. You see the title? This is very easy. So all you have to do is put a text box into the video, and then you pretty much gonna choose your favorite font, but choose different fonts to each words. I only do this for the titles because I don't want to do this for all of the video. It's gonna be too much. It adds the elegant essence. Well, it depends on what font you're gonna use. If you want to make it sporty, then you can use that sports kind of font altogether, or if you want to make it elegant just like I did in this video, you can use this like handwriting type of font and it'll look so cute. By the way, the reason why I'm looking down is I have all those notes right here in my laptop for you guys, so don't mind me. So let's talk about the multiple shots. Also important essence for engaging aesthetic videos. So let me show you what I'm talking about first. Get ready with me for the show day. Today I'm having a weekly Christmas show, and this is my typical show day routine / behind the scenes. I usually wake up 9 a.m. already set up all my uniforms out at night before whenever I have a work, starting with some work with crime documentary series in the background. Today I'm editing a bunch of content for our team. Check out DC Reading Showing Blue multiple shots can increase the engagement so much. Keep that in mind. Social media these days loves views more than follower numbers or subscription numbers. So what that means is they prioritize the views. If you want the algorithm to push your content to more people, then you should prioritize about the engagement, not the numbers, followers, or subscribers. I also use voiceover a lot. The reason why I like voiceover is that I can be in the present whenever I record something as well, because I'm not talking about anything. I'm just capturing food or the scenery and all this stuff, and I don't have to like talk to the camera in the public, which I feel a little awkward doing that. And if you do a voiceover, try to sync what you're saying and also the b-rolls. Like when you're talking about the food, insert the b-roll of your food. When you're talking about the place, you can insert the b-roll of the place, like showing around type of b-roll. Not just the one b-roll, but also if you have multiple shots, that would be great. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about is the vibe. This is something that I'm still working on right now too, but to have this style that you want to stick with, it can be font, it can be the color correcting, it can be certain way of recording style. Make it consistent, because that's what brings people back to your content and back to your channel. Another thing that I can say is that color is very important. So these days, I don't know why, but I'm so into like dark, rich brown. So I started changing everything to brown, like my phone case, my laptop, my hair went darker, I'm wearing brown, and I'm having brown couch in the background, and all those like color correctings at that elegantness, at that style of yours. It's kind of same thing as branding, and also it's like the magic that people don't talk about, but also people get affected by it strongly. They're making another house next to us. Distracting. watching. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you to step up your content creation game. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help me a lot, and it's gonna help this video to reach more people, and it's free, so I will appreciate it if you do it. But anyways, if you want to see more from me, here's the video that YouTube picked just only for you, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. If you want to know more about me, here's the video I'm talking about how I became an NFL professional dancer and moved here from Japan by myself. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and I will see you guys in this video.